Hi guys, Tom from ZIC Moto Garage here. Today we're going to show you a very simple, easy installation, probably one of the easiest installations you have of a mod. It's the oil dipstick. This particular product comes from Paragon Performance. It's pretty slick. This particular one comes in the red finish, and it is the licensed Corvette logo script. It's pretty nicely finished compared to your OEM plastic, much nicer looking option. These are offered in a few different colors: blue, red, and black. Check it out on our website. The installation of the dipstick honestly could not be easier. All you gotta do is pop your trunk and pull out the old dipstick and install the new one. There it is. That's all there is to it. Enjoy, and it looks pretty good. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support really helps our channel grow and lets us bring you more great content like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.